Black, yo. Queen.
Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie and I'm back at it with another mother loving video. So I will be showing y'all how I got this dress out of a t-shirt from Walmart. Y'all know my favorite, Walmart. I mean, the dress is giving, right? It's like the details, you know. It's like, this is so cute. Like, when I seen it, I'm just like, yes. But if you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to show y'all how I got this dress. Y'all, I have to show y'all my nails because I absolutely love this color. It's so cute. But anyways, these are the two shirts that I use. I picked up at Walmart. I believe one was $11.97. One was something else, I forgot. But the pink shirt was a large. This shirt is a 2X. So I'm doing something different this time because it's going to be like a two-tone dress. The front and the back is going to be different. So I'm folding it right down the center. And then I'm gonna basically put my dress on top and do it on a fold, y'all. But what's been going up with y'all, as y'all can see, I am trying to give y'all 2 videos a week, Wednesdays and Fridays. I'm literally going to try to stick more to my DIY, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. But we're gonna go ahead and cut it out. And make sure y'all follow me on my TikTok and my Instagram. I'm trying to grow over all social media, so help a sister out. Give me a follow, give me a like, a comment, a share, whatever. But yeah, I'm on the road to being very successful. So up here I am going to just cut out like a triangle shape, basically. Okay, y'all, so we got the front of the dress finished, and now we're going to go with the back of the shirt, and we're going to lay the top on the back and basically go ahead and cut that out. I'm going to need y'all to be a little more, like, conversate with me, because in the comment section, or a little more engagement, because y'all be acting like y'all want to talk to me. I do not bite. Go ahead and leave me a comment, because, yeah. So now, y'all, I'm just going to go ahead and fold it over. And as y'all can see at the top of this, I just went ahead and did a straight line because this is just the back. And it don't need, like, the little triangle pieces I got. So we're going to lay it together. And as you can see, the back kind of look a little bigger, but that's okay. So I'm going to get 24 inches of this black. It don't have to be perfect, and we're gonna need 2 of those, and I'm gonna actually cut out some more, but I'm not gonna do it on camera. And basically, when you get these, you just take it, and as you can see, it wasn't perfect at all, and you see me stretching it, and it gives it that little string look. On this part, y'all, we need 4 pieces of this, 6 inches and I think 1.5 inches wide. But the camera head was not focused right here, but you still can kind of see what I'm doing. So I got the 2 pieces of black, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the pink as well. Just lay them on top and go from there. And these are going to be the straps, because I made 2-tone straps as well. Y'all, I've been really focusing on my growth, and I am like so proud of myself. I've been putting myself first, and if ain't nobody else proud of me, I'm proud of me. I've been getting closer to God and all of that, and I'm so proud. But y'all, I'm finna show y'all the hole puncher and all the stuff. I picked this up at Amazon, but we'll be using this a little later. We're gonna go ahead and go with the straps and sew them together. I'm not going to get detailed, but I'm still going to show y'all how to do the straps, because I done showed y'all so many times. Y'all should be a pro at it, but we're going to just go ahead and fold it inside out and sew down. Oh, I got some bloopers at the end of the video, so make sure y'all stay tuned to the end. I am so silly. This is a loop turner for those of you who don't know. I got this from Walmart as well. Okay, so we got the straps all done. We're going to go ahead and sew the dress. And literally, the dress is just down the sides. I didn't go around like the triangle parts of the front because I liked it. It kind of gave it like a little rough look, and I actually like it that way. So that's why I didn't hem up like the corners and stuff. Hey. Hey, girl. Making a little dress. Hey. You cute. Girl, speak to him.
Hey, you overdoing that
Y'all,
stuff.
Polo will bark at my guests until they speak to him. And I love it because don't be rude to him. Okay?
You been working all day.
Oh, right, girl. That big ass shit. Girl, that big ass earring. That motherfucker hurt me and you.
Right.
He came back. Polo, go sit down there.
Hey, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it.
Yo, I love my best friend so much. She went and got us some ribs this day, and it was so freaking good. But I'm showing y'all it's all sewed up, and we're gonna go ahead and attach the straps. Y'all, when I first did it, I was thinking, I'm like, should I do like the pink straps in the front and then the black straps in the back? But I'm like, no, because it was too much going on. So I just did what was accordingly. So now to this part, it's not very detailed, but I'm playing around to see where I want the strings, where I want them to hang. You can do it to your likings or whatever. And then once I figure it out, I am going to go ahead and punch a hole in all the spots where you see the little, I don't know what they call, y'all, but I'm going to punch some holes in there with that. Got the holes, and now we're going to use our, I don't forget what it's called. We're going to use this, and we're going to, I'm kind of showing y'all, it's a small tutorial right here on how to use it. And then you put the fabric in between those two, and then just literally just squeeze it closed. Okay, y'all, so that's all done. I did it off of cam. So now we putting our strings through, and I couldn't kind of position my camera to show y'all, but I just tied a knot in the inside of the ones so it can stay and not come out the hole. But this is the final and finishing. It's all done. Those strings at the bottom that was hanging, I wanted to see how they look, but it didn't look right, so I ended up cutting them, the ones by the X. Okay, because period, y'all can't say I ain't snap on this one. Like, this is so cute. I'm actually thinking about doing dressing this up with a jean jacket and some boots. Not no heels or nothing like that, but I'm trying to do something different with it. But I'm showing y'all the details because get into it, okay? Because yes, I love it. Let me know what y'all think. It's super cute. I love the graphics on it, the Venom. Like, they snapped with the t-shirt, but I snapped with the dress. Let me know what y'all think. It's hot. Hey babes, welcome. No. Hold on, let me see. You gotta kick it off with the like. No, I can't do it. Okay. Oh, that was perfect. I did like this in the camera, like no. A lot of DIYs. No. No.